morning. It is day 5 of Vlogmas. I am so excited. It is Wednesday, December 5th. Yes, Wednesday, December 5th. And I was tagged by Bethany over at the Pintastic girls. Actually, Bethany and her 3 daughters. If you have not watched their channel, I'm definitely going to post a link below. You definitely need to go and check that out. I was tagged by her for this project. This is a no-sew Minnie Mouse ear challenge. So let's see if we can get ourselves a pair of ears. Okay, here are all the supplies that I purchased. I got everything at Hobby Lobby. I got some floral wire. This is glitter floral wrap. I saw this and I'm just like, that is cool. I got 2 whites, I guess. I thought I got a different color, but I thought I grabbed the silver, but that's okay. We like glitter. We will use it in some other project. Don't know if I will actually need the wrap or the wire, but we'll see. So this was my idea. I got 2 of these. This one I have already cut apart. This is going to be the ears. And then I was going to put the roses on. And I've got my hot glue gun ready. So let's get started. Okay, like I said, I already cut this off of there. Now let me see. I saved it so I would know what to cut off here. Let me just wanted to cut the first one off, not on camera, just to make sure that I could do it. And they snip off pretty easy. And then these middle 2 are just kind of glued. Oops. Okay. So these I'm just going to kind of hot glue onto here, and hopefully they will stay. And I did purchase wider band. I purchased 2 because that's what happens when you want to make sure that you don't screw it up. And these actually don't weigh a whole lot either, so that's another reason why I chose these. Got glue strings all over. That's kind of pretty there. Okay, let's go for the roses here. I haven't. These are actually clips. I'm not sure that I want these clips on here. Oh, and they just popped right out. Because I kind of wanted. I don't know. Those are kind of. I could just put one right in the middle. I'm actually kind of really digging that. And then, okay, so let's just put one in the middle here. How about putting this back here, because that is just not going to hold right there. Okay, that is just not going to stay there. So I don't think those are too bad. I am going to take some floral wire though because I want that held in place. What did, oh, here it is. I'm looking all over for it. Now, I did find, I know that these are not the traditional Christmas colors, but I did find them in the Christmas ornaments. This isn't like real wire. This is kind of more like thread. Now I do have the velour ribbon to go inside so you won't have this wire poking in your head, because that would not be comfy. Now I'm just going to kind of loop it around there several times and then tie it off. Is what they look like. Very glittery and festive. That little guy just does not want to stay down. Hold him there in place for a minute. I think that one turned out great. And then I will just glue the interior. I have to find my velour ribbon and glue that on the interior. Too bad that I couldn't find some way to, and these almost look like ears themselves. Too bad I didn't have some pink and white bows. Some pretty iridescent ribbon, and I'm wondering if I could make a fluffy Christmas bow and make another pair. Let's see. Jen Laforge has a really cool bow making, Christmas bow making tutorial, and her bows look a lot better than mine. So I'll link that below and you can go check that out. I don't even know if this is going to be the right size. I'm kind of guesstimating. The first time I made it, it was a little too big. So I've kind of shrunk it down, and now I'm not in the middle. Most things in my life are lopsided. Oh, let me attach the roses first. bow right in the middle. Okay, when it dries. Okay, now we're tying this bow on to here. I was not a Boy Scout. I am not very good at tying knots. And then we can fuss with it and make the bow all pretty, because this part is going to be flat against your head. Oh, I think that turned out lovely. And again, I will get the velour ribbon and glue these down. So there's pair number 2. Oops. I don't know what's the best angle there for you to see them. That was a whole lot of fun. These are my first pair of ears, the ones with the pink ornaments. Try to give you a close-up there. I think they turned out really, really nice. I really like those. And I was afraid they'd be forward heavy, but they're really not. They're not falling off, so I really like those. And then we have these, which I made with the leftover roses and some ribbon that I had. I'll give you a close-up of those. I really like those. And they both kind of go with my hair, so I think we're good. I'm going to link the Pintastic girls below. If you are interested at all in this challenge, it was a lot of fun. You don't have to go out and buy anything. If you're a crafter, you can just use what you have on hand. If you're interested in this challenge, I'm not going to tag anybody. I don't know specifically anybody. I know a lot of people off YouTube that would love this challenge. But if you want to do this, I want to see your ears. Show me your ears. I think I like these better than these. So show me your ears. Show me what you can come up with in this challenge. Thank you so much, Bethany and girls, for tagging me. Today is day 5 of Vlogmas. Tomorrow is day 6, and we have a Disney box to unbox. I can't wait. I'm so excited. Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes is here, and I can't wait to open it up and share with you all the goodies that are in there. So if you like this content on Vlogmas, don't miss a day of it. Hit that subscribe button below and hit the bell so you're notified each and every time I upload content. And make sure you go out there on YouTube and check out all the great, wonderful content that is coming out this Vlogmas. Until next time, go out there and do something great and have a magical day.